It's a certified 2017 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, mirror mounted spotlights, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and V8 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
For the entire car buying and ownership process, Sandpac's 5-star Ford Carrollton is here to help. Call, click, or stop in today. We're located at I-35E and Crosby Road in Carrollton, Texas.